Hello viewers, here I am at Beijing Auto Show, bringing you the latest information on Chinese automobile. But really, I'm starting with the Mercedes EQS behind me, which I'm not allowed to get inside. You see, the back seat of EQS was catastrophically bad, but now, well, it's still not there, but they're significantly improved, which makes me wonder, does the back seat matter the most when it comes to electric flagship saloon? This is a new ET7, which is not a stranger to you guys. And just like the Mercedes EQS, the back seat is the biggest shortcoming of this electric flagship saloon. But now, just look at it. The slouch seat, normally only seen in cars like Maybach, can now be found in a Chinese electric saloon that has a similar size to the long wheelbase E-Class. Actually, the size of the car may restrict the extent of the reclining. When someone as tall as me is seated in the back, the legroom can be a bit cramped, and the 37-degree maximum backrest angle is just pretty much equivalent to that of the Mercedes E-Class. Nevertheless, the improvements to the rear seat still make this flagship saloon, which has been on the market for over 3 years, one of the best electric saloons in the world. Throughout the history of Chinese EV, a flagship saloon had been very rare, and for a very long time, this new ET7 had been a lone contender. Well, until now. This is Stellator S9, a brand new electric flagship saloon co-developed by BAIC and Huawei. This car's design is truly interesting because it looks almost identical to the Lexus S7 developed by Huawei and Chery. However, the extended body length give it a much stronger presence and much more harmonious proportions. Although we haven't been able to sit in the back seat, it's clear that the car is built for providing a better rear seat experience. During the launch event, Huawei repeatedly compared this car to the S-Class 7 Series and LDA8, emphasizing the distance from the A-pillar to the C-pillar, referred to as the effective cabin length, which they claimed is longer than those three flagships. This doesn't directly translate into the back seat, but it demonstrates their determination to challenge traditional luxury brand. And if you think all of these are just too serious, well, there's also something else for you. This is a Denza Z9 GT, a Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo-ish flagship electric saloon with both plug-in version and pure electric version. In terms of design, this car has nothing to do with typical executive style, but with the length close to 5.2 meter and a wheelbase over 3.1 meter, it seems to combine the features of Panamera Executive and the Sport Turismo models. Additionally, it has 960 horsepower, making it more like a Porsche Turbo S. Interestingly, the first spy photo of this car was taken in Porsche's hometown, Stuttgart. Although the Z9 GT's proportions may seem less impressive compared to the Ferrari GTC Fluence, which was next to it, and some of its detailed design may not be to everyone's taste, it does bring a breath of fresh air to the executive car world. Sadly, we can't sit in the back of this one either to see how executive this car can be, but judging from the shooting brake shape, well, it was designed for bigger headroom, isn't it? In one of my previous videos, I used the new ET9 to show that electric flagship saloon need to adopt a design approach that differs significantly from traditional ICE cars, but the backseat experience still remains a key focus. And this electric saloon we see at Beijing Auto Show suggested exactly that. This made me very curious about how ET9 performs in the real world.